Welcome to Flow with Mira. I'm Mira, and this is my to-go 15 minutes everyday stretch to prepare your body at the beginning of the day or for the days that your body needs a break from a workout. What you need for this class is a scarf, a belt, or a towel to assist you in a hamstring stretch. All right, let's begin the class. Let's put the scarf or towel away for 1 second and find yourself in a standing position, nice and tall, feet are parallel. We're going to do 3 spinal roll downs. Okay, so take a deep breath, slightly softening at the knees here. As you exhale, we'll start rolling down from the crown of the head. You know, then think about the spine articulating bone by bone. Take the arms facing each other here and then go into a deep flexion in the lumbar spine. And then go ahead and tip the pelvis forward and then bring the body closer to the floor. Deep inhalation at the bottom here. Exhale. Pressing down as you roll the spine up and stacking up the spine. Nice and tall, we arrive. In breath. Exhale, we roll down, softening at the knees and just allow the spine to articulate down bone by bone. All the way to the floor and folding the hip forward, going to that deeper fold here. Deep inhalation at the bottom here. Exhale, rolling up. Again, bone by bone. Coming up, standing tall, standing upright. One more, in breath. Exhale, roll down. Easy, easy rolling. And folding, in breath. Exhale, rolling up. And stacking up. All right, let's move on to the mat. So let's go ahead, lie on our back. We're going to move on to one of my favorite stretch movement in the morning. It's the hip roll. So let's have our feet wider than the pelvis here. Arms long by the side. And then here, I like to just drop the knees to the right and then turn the head over to the left. And then bring it back to center. Drop the knees to the left and turn the head over to the right. And then recover back to center. And again, use the breath. Exhale. And drop. Exhale. Easy dropping. In breath. 2 more each side. One last. And we're going to hold the last one here. So my knees are dropping towards the left here. Now I want you to take the left foot on top of the right thighs and then gently press the right thighs and the knee down to the floor. Intensify the stretch here and really try to draw the right abdominal down to the floor. So try to bring off dropping or think of dropping the pelvis, the right pelvis down to the floor. And we stay here. 3 sets of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Pressing down a little bit more. 2 more. Exhale. 1 last. Release the left foot. Center. Drop the knees over to the right. Right knee pressing against right foot, pressing against the left thigh. And gently pressing the left thigh down. 3 sets of breath here. Inhale. 2 more. Last here. And release the foot. Reset the leg. And then let's go ahead and turn towards me. So side lying. Stack the legs, feet together. Resting the head down. You may also use a pillow or cushion underneath the head if this feels uncomfortable for you. Right, lifting the underneath waistline, reach the arm forward. We're going to go to our windmill arm, bringing the arm up, overhead. Rotate back, look back behind you. Keep the hands trailing down the floor. Again, inhale. Go reach far away, up, open. And 3, inhale. Use the breath. 2 more. One more. Now reverse direction, reach forward and down. 2. So you're going to reach beyond the underneath arm in front of you. And 3 more. And 2. And last one. And release. All right, let's get up and go on to the other side. All right, so side lying, stack the legs, feet together, lifting the underneath waistline, reach the top arm forward. And let's bring it up overhead and back. And 5 one direction, 5 reverse. Just allow the breath to lead the journey. 2 more. One last. And reverse that, we go down and back. 2. 3. 2 more. And last one. All right, let's go roll onto our back. Grab your scarf, belt, towel, or band. And then let's lift the right leg up to the sky and bring the scarf. I'm using a scarf here. Bring the scarf with the belt just onto the foot here. I really want your pelvis to be grounded here. Right, pressing the elbows down to the floor. We're going to do some hamstring stretch here. Now, if your body can't, extend the other leg down. If that's proven to be too challenging for you, you can keep the knees bent and the foot down. So I'll let you choose whether you want to straighten or bend the knee. Now here, what we're going to do, we're going to soften the hip joint and the knee, bending. And then exhale, straightening the leg. So you should really feel the stretch at the back of the leg here. We inhale, softening. And then exhale, stretching. Use the quads to really straighten the knee here. Again, inhale. Exhale to your maximum extension of the knee while keeping the pelvis grounded. And 2 more. Exhale. Last one. And extend. Stay. Now let's do some leg circle here. We're going to go across the body, down, away, bring it closer towards your face. And again, circle down and pulling in. And pelvis again, stay stable underneath the leg, pulling in. In breath. Exhale. In breath. Exhale. One more set. Exhale. Reverse to the side, down, across. And one more set. Come back to center, and then perhaps you can pull the leg closer towards your chest. And stay here for 3 sets of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Pull a little closer. 2 more. Last one. And release. All right, switch side. Left leg up, right foot down. Again, you can keep the right knee bent, or you can also straighten the leg down. Right, what we want to watch is the pelvis to stay down onto the floor. Okay, let's go. Inhale, softening the hip and the knee. Pressing up. Extend. Your leg doesn't have to be vertical here if you feel like you can only manage to have your leg slightly away, and that's a good stretch for you, and that will be it today. And in breath, so just listen to your body. Do what feels good for you, okay? With a bit of a challenge, but you should feel comfortable. Exhale. 2 more. Last one. All right, leg circle across the body and away. And exhale. In breath. Exhale. In breath. One more set. Reverse, out and down. Last set. Center, pull the legs slightly closer towards you. 3 sets of breath. We stay. One more. Good job, and release. Put the scalp or the belt away to the side. Right leg on top for the glute stretch here. We're going to grab the back of the left thigh, pull the left thigh to you, and then push the right thigh away with the right elbow and keep the pelvis grounded. We stay here. And keeping the weight a little bit more onto the left bottom. Inhale. Exhale. You can pull a little closer towards you. In breath. And push the right thigh away with the elbow. In breath. One more breath. And release. All right, switch side. Left leg on top, grab the back of your right thigh, pull the thigh to you and push the left thigh away with the elbow. Weight onto the right bottom, in breath. And pulling closer. And pushing the thigh away a little bit more. In breath. 3 more sets of breath. 2. 1 last. And release that. All right, roll to your side and come up onto your hands and knees for your modified cat stretch. So tuck the toes under here. Place your hands just a fist away from the knee here. All right, hands shoulder width apart. It's back nice and tall here. Right, from here, we're going to breathe out and round the back, flexing, looking down, stretching the lumbar spine. Inhale, flat back, extend. Arch up. Exhale, rounding. Inhale, flat back. And just really feel how the spine's moving. How much can you stretch that spine in extension and flexion? 3 more. In breath. 2. Simply just mobilizing the spinal column. This is the last. Arch up. Good job. And release the feet onto a quadruped. My most favorite stretch ever for the spine. All right, now here, quadruped position. All right, what we're going to do here, we're going to take the left arm to the side, press the shin down, rotate up. Bring the hand down, loop it through underneath the right armpit and thread the needle across to the opposite side and just stay here, in breath. Exhale. Can we reach the arm a little bit further? 2 more breaths. Last breath. And come up. And release. Other arm, right arm up. Press the shin down. Rotate. Up. Bring it down. Loop the arm through. Bring it across. Actively reaching the arm and lower the chest down. In breath. And. One more. Push up. Reset. Sit the pelvis down. Rest position. Arms along. 3 sets of breath here. Inhaling. Exhaling. 2 more. One last. And let's go ahead and roll the spine up. Well done. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed that stretch as much as I do. I wish you a lovely day, and I'll see you back on the mat for another class tomorrow. Take care. Thank you for watching and completing the class. I'm Mira, and I'm here to help you to love, look, and feel your absolute best through Pilates. If you enjoyed this video, you will love my 7-day beginner challenge. Click the first link in the comment below and sign up. You will receive daily workout videos focused on building a sustainable practice in as little as 15 minutes per day. This is for all levels, as everyone can gain a deeper understanding of the Pilates fundamentals. If you enjoy my work, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any of my free classes and programs. See you on the mat tomorrow.